Hi, class. I hope you're doing okay. Just wanted to check in with you. Happy Monday. It's so beautiful outside. So, today's the day that we are gonna move into female sexual anatomy and physiology. So, although there is something to be said about questioning the whole binary, there are specific parts of human bodies that are specific to one type of body versus the other. So for this week, you're gonna look at female-bodied anatomy and physiology through kind of a biological lens. But then to kind of offset that, you're going to watch a film called The Vagina Monologues, which is a classic Eve Ensler play that she wrote many, many years ago, and it's usually performed at colleges and universities throughout the United States. There's actually a showing for sure at Sonoma State this weekend, and then other places as well. So it's always fun to see a live show performed by college students. They have a great time doing it. Um, so that's what you're gonna do, and just hope you're doing well. Look forward to hearing what you think about this and also following up on your forums on what you did last week in terms of ethical standards in research. So have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you on the forums. Take care.